In this tutorial, you will learn how to prepare the product for use. USB interface. Serial interface. Optional Ethernet interface. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Connect the power cord to an AC power source. Verify the indicator is illuminated. Set the power switch to off. Connect the power supply to the printer. Set the power switch to on. The printer performs a self-test and the control panel cycles through the light colors. The media status indicator and the printer status indicator blink orange to indicate there is no media in the printer. Set the power switch to off. Connect the interface to the host computer. Install the software and run Zebra Setup Utilities. The software will prompt you when to switch power on to complete installation. Ensure media is visible in the window. Insert as shown and press down. When ready, the printer status indicator will display solid green. Media will be visible here. Get the latest software and support for your product at Zebra's website.